cut?
We'll find out.
The salt and pepper man from from New Hampshire.
Wow.
Is eating some serious green chilies.
No bowl of chowder.
That's right. Dallin. No bowl of chowder, Dallin.
Spicy?
You're eating salad.
Yeah, okay. Kyle, I'm going to zoom
Like
in
my
on Kyle
eyeballs
for
are
this.
sweating.
How does he... There we go. I'm going to get real
Let me
close.
pick up the sweat that I have coming down
I got
here.
the mouth.
Water on your face?
No. Will that pick up the sweat?
Let's see if I can get a reflection off the too tight. It's going to be the worst video ever. Turn your head that way a little bit. Other way. Other way. Oh, nice little sheen off the window. What do you think, Kyle? Do you not have capsaicin receptors?
It's good, man. It's spicy. I like it.
Good.
Talk to me in about 5.